All right, good evening, everyone. Welcome aboard to our weekly recap. My name is Carlos Garcia. I'm the founder and CEO of GAR Capital. You are here at our GAR Capital YouTube channel. Thanks again for joining us every week. We do this video on Sunday evenings, unless we have a holiday on Monday where the market's closed, then we do it on Monday. As a matter of fact, we do have a holiday tomorrow. Tomorrow is Veterans Day, the 11th of November, which was Armistice Day from World War One, when World War One ended on the 11th hour, on the 11th month, on the 11th day. So it's the easiest, one of the easiest holidays I remembered from history. I was a history buff growing up, either way. So again, there's a holiday tomorrow, Veterans Day. Banks are closed, like regular brick and mortar banks are closed. The bond market's closed, but the stock market is open. So tomorrow we are open for business, ready to rock. Futures are open this morning. Dow futures are up 34 points. S&P is up about 9, and the Nasdaq's up 44. The Russell's off its highs. It was up 1% at the open. Now it's up 0.73% at the moment. Crude oil is down about 0.40. Gold is down near session lows at about 0.5%. I talked about this on our futures video for our futures members. If you are interested in watching that video, futures members, it's under futures trades. Here it is. And just want to give a big shout out to our fallen brother and family member here at GAR Capital, Nick Blagzovinci. Unfortunately, as you've seen here, this is the last time he wrote to all of us here on the server. His last action before he passed on that evening, on the 6th of November, was a winning trade for everybody. Now, this is something that I almost want to kind of lock it in here. So what I'm going to do is put this as a pin to remember him by on the futures, because this is one of the last times he ever wrote to us. We miss him. We love him. It's a little bit of a transition period for all of us. This is why I didn't do the video the last couple of days in the morning note. He passed away last Wednesday. He was a VP and head of futures trading. So for now, I am taking over the role, helping all of our members with futures. I went ahead and even posted the actual weekly video earlier. So again, I don't think he can ever be replaced. And the goal is not to replace him, but to make things seamless, even with grief and the loss that we have. And I shed many tears speaking to his family, speaking to our staff. It's been hard on all of us, but the show must go on. The work needs to be continued. We honor Nick by continuing the work that he loves so much. As you can see right here, his last things that he typed up were profit winners for our members. So let's remember him in a positive way, of course. Remember him at his happiest. Remember his smile. Remember his positivity, his good energy when he was speaking to our members. We had so many great words, kind words. I just wish that he was here to see all the positivity that he gave to everybody, and how many people he's touched in other people's lives. That's a big deal. I always say that people don't remember what you say, but they remember how you make them feel. And the world really lost a great guy, and we're all gonna miss him. We love him very much. Again, I don't want to make this sad, but again, I just want to honor my boy, Nick. We'll miss you, but I'll do my best to fill the role that unfortunately you left us behind. So with that being said, let's move on to work stuff. I went ahead and posted a couple things earlier today. Went ahead and sent this to our bot. Just so everyone knows, the bot is not me. It's not a machine either. It's one of our staff members that does all this stuff, because I can't type all this stuff at the same time. So again, I don't want anyone to think this is Carlos Inc. It isn't. I have a great staff, as you can see with Nick, who passed us on. We have a whole staff that's here working for us, or working for you, throughout the week, even on the weekends. So we want to give a big shout out to our great back office staff who handles the bot. Thank you so much for all this. And we do have meetings talking about this stuff. Okay, so 3 stocks we were watching this week. Let's go ahead and start with that. And then we'll go ahead and take a look at how we did for the week. And then we'll go over what's coming up this week and some of my takes. All right, so let's start with the 3 stocks that we were watching this week. First one is Bank of America. So let's take a look at it together. And the only issue for me right now is that tomorrow is Veterans Day, so we may have a little bit of slow volume. Again, banks being closed and whatnot. That may not be the case. That might be the case. Again, I just want to see how